Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much who have liked, shared and subscribed. So this video is going to be all about the questions that I am getting around the work from home assessment program that is provided by Accenture. So let me just quickly show you 2-3 things. One thing, that who are eligible, who are not. There is no answer like yes or no to that, because a lot of things are there in between. So I cannot guarantee you that you will get, but I will show you. So you can get the clear answer from your HR or from your leads, your tagged leads, and then you will not be able to take the reimbursement until unless you got your Allsac access. Allsac is what? It is a portal, एक portal है जहाँ पे आपको अपना reimbursement डालना होता है. So let me just quickly show you this. So guys, as you can see, this is the most important portal. You have to just memorize it. Portal.accenture.com. It will give you all the links, all the important links that are used in Accenture. So I will not go through every link. Just see this. Just explore this link when you have your laptop and everything is with you. You have your internet connections in place and all those things. Just go to portal.accenture.com. Then in the right hand side, in the career and tools rewards, just go to your rewards. I have already opened it, so I'll show you quickly. This is my rewards. This is the home page that you will see. So some of the information is sensitive, so that is why I have not opened it. So there are a lot of rewards that you will get apart from your salary benefits and all those things. Just click on your work from home assistance. So if you want to read them, just pause the video and you can read them, but I'm not going to read it for you. Okay, just want to show that who is eligible. This is highlighted. Okay, so people who are joining before 31st August 2022, I believe you all are eligible, but as I am telling you again and again that there is no proper yes and no answer to this. Just ask your manager or your leads or your HR, they will let you know. So how to purchase? These are two options. The amount is 18,000 that will be reimbursed. Okay, so every detail is here. If you want to read it, just pause the video, and again how to claim it. It is also from an example, it is showing that how to claim it. Then this is the approved list of equipments, all the equipments that you can buy. The equipments are divided into two categories. One is the furniture and the second is IT equipment. If you want, I am just getting you a closer look, so you can just pause the video, guys, take your 2 minutes and read all the equipments, and you can note it down what equipments you want, and you can just wish list them. So in furniture, there are chairs, desk tables, laptop raisers, leg resting tool, footrest, arm, palm and back rest, cushions, privacy dividers. And in IT equipments, there is a long list. You can select your equipment from any of the website or any of the local vendors. Just you have to have your GST number. Okay, when you have all those things, you can people were raising questions around this. It is clearly written, it is they will be only reimbursing wireless mouse and keyboard, as they have not returned wired. So I'm not sure if you buy a wired mouse and they will reimburse it or not. So now let me just quickly show you how to reimburse it. I'll also show you the Allsac portal. From here, guys, if I again go back to my Accenture portal, Accenture again, portal.accenture.com, that is the most important link I can provide you right now. So here in the same sections, career and tool rewards, go to Allsac portal. So I have already opened that Allsac portal. Just click on that, click on this link and it will open. So I have already opened it for you. So guys, as I have already opened the Allsac portal for you, it will ask for you for some details initially. So just fill those details, and then after you are all good with the Allsac portal, just go to your reimbursement and go to work from home assistance reimbursement details. So these are the details that I have filled. Okay, so this reimbursement has already been given to me. So what you have to do, you have to go with the work from home assistant reimbursement booking. When you will click on it, the date is right now closed, so that is why it's not showing, or else it will show you the details here, that what you have to fill. You have to fill the vendor's name, you have to fill the invoice details, then you have to fill your GST details, you have to fill the type of equipment, like you have to select it is IT equipment, or it is a it is not showing right now, it is IT equipment or a furniture. Then you have to select what, if you have selected furniture, you have to select what kind of furniture it is. Then if it is IT equipment, you have to select what kind of IT equipment it is. Then you have to fill the details, dividing it into the actual cost and the GST part, and the final amount will automatically come here. In the last section there is one tab, so if you can just read it, delivery address is in office work, this just click on yes, just tick it yes. And then let me just show you again. I'll request you guys to pause the video. Again I will request you guys to pause the video and read all these things. This will, I believe, these are the most important things that will clear all your doubts. So guys, that was it for this video. If you guys have another questions, any other queries, comments, you can please comment down. If you like the video, please like. If you can share the videos with the people who are joining the Accenture recently or have joined the Accenture recently, please share this video with them. Like, share and subscribe the channel please for the all other videos related to these topics. That's it for this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.